Hello and welcome back to LearnSBOM. Today I'm going to be reviewing the tool SCANOSS JS package. The SCANOSS JS package provides a simple and easy to consume module for interacting with a SCANOSS API or engine. It can be installed and used as a CLI. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to have npm installed, so just make sure we have that installed, and all you have to do is do npm install g SCANOSS. So here we have it installed. To confirm that we have it installed, all we gotta do is run this following command, and it'll return the help message and the options it has. So first up, we have the scan option. Just type in SCANOSS JS, scan the directory you're in if you're doing it from a project. And then you could do -O to output the scan results, and just type in the name of the file that you want. And it will output the file. Scan out.json, and we can quickly confirm that does create a SBOM based on our project. Now the next option is the dep command, which just searches for dependencies. We should run the same command but with dep. Outputs to a dep file. And we just confirm that it has the packages of our projects. And the next command is the WFP command. It just generates fingerprints for your files. Here you go, just a bunch of hashes for your files. That does work. So I just showed the basic commands from the CLI, but you can also install SCANOSS as a dependency in your Node.js project directly. That way you can directly interact with the SCANOSS API from your JS code. Overall, this tool was really easy to set up and really easy to use. It generated SBOMs with no issues. The code scanning and the dependency scanning was very useful. Give this tool a try. Thank you.
Thank you for checking out this video. If you really liked it, be sure to check out our other videos right here, and then you can also subscribe right up top here. And again, thank you. Bye-bye.